Today we are going to discuss about GIDS security and Riot protection gadgets. Introducing the GIDS lightweight combat helmet, a perfect blend of protection and comfort for modern soldiers. Made from aramid bound in a thermoset matrix, this helmet provides ballistic and fragmentation protection while remaining lightweight. Available in small 1540 grams, medium 1500 grams and large 1550 grams for a perfect fit. With an advanced suspension system, adjustable headband and chin strap, it ensures comfort and stability in the toughest missions. Fully compatible with communication and vision devices, the LWCH enhances battlefield performance. Lightweight, durable and mission-ready, the GIDS lightweight combat helmet is built to protect those who protect us. Introducing the GIDS metallic mine detector, a highly sensitive device designed for the effective detection of anti-personnel and anti-tank mines. This advanced detector operates by emitting ultra-high frequency energy towards the ground and analyzing the reflected signals to identify and discriminate mines. Its microprocessor-based system minimizes false alarms by adjusting to varying terrain conditions and buried objects, ensuring precise detection in diverse environments. Lightweight and user-friendly, the GIDS metallic mine detector provides reliable audio alerts, making it an essential tool for military engineers and operational troops responsible for mine detection activities. Introducing the stun grenade, a non-lethal device engineered to produce high-intensity illumination and a loud bang, causing temporary disorientation and incapacitation without causing permanent injury. Available in single bang and six bang versions, it emits a blinding flash of light and an intensely loud bang of greater than 170 decibels. The single bang variant weighs approximately 230 grams, while the six bang version weighs around 530 grams. Both models are designed to remain intact during detonation, ensuring no fragmentation occurs. With a delay time of 1.5 to 2 seconds, the GIDS stun grenade is an effective and safe choice for military and law enforcement personnel seeking to temporarily disorient targets without causing permanent harm. The GIDS tear gas shell, designed for riot control, contains CS composition and is deployed using a 38mm tear gas gun. Crafted with an aluminum case payload enclosed in plastic casting, this shell meets international standards. With a caliber of 38mm, it can reach distances up to 137 meters and provides a discharge time exceeding 35 seconds. In the heat of battle or the line of duty, protection is everything. The GIDS bulletproof jacket offers state-of-the-art defense for both military and civilian applications. Designed with cutting-edge technology, these jackets provide superior protection while remaining lightweight. They can be worn standalone or upgraded with ballistic plates for enhanced defense against higher threats. It can stop 6 shots from a 7.62mm Tokarev pistol at a range of 5 meters and 6 shots from a 7.62 G3 rifle at 15 meters when using a standalone hard armor plate. Customizable in size and shape, they adapt to the needs of any mission. When every second counts, trust GIDS for ultimate protection. In today's operational environments, the threat of improvised explosive devices, or IEDs, is a constant concern for our armed forces. GIDS introduces the detector 6500, a state-of-the-art vehicle-based IED jammer designed to safeguard convoys from radio-controlled explosives. The detector 6500 boasts a wide frequency range from 20 MHz to 6 GHz, effectively neutralizing threats from devices such as GSM, DCS, UMTS, LTE, satellite phones, Wi-Fi, WiMAX, ISM, GNS, VHF, and UHF. Its advanced jamming techniques include reactive sweep, spot sweep, and multi-spot methods, ensuring comprehensive protection. Equipped with a user-friendly touchscreen display and a communication window supporting VHF, the detector 6500 offers seamless integration into existing defense systems. Its reconfigurable architecture and intelligent hybrid technology provide auto-adaptive and smart jamming, optimizing power consumption while maintaining peak performance. With an effective jamming range exceeding 70 to 100 meters, the detector 6500 ensures that our forces can navigate challenging environments with confidence, knowing they are shielded from the dangers of radio-controlled IEDs. GIDS remains committed to delivering cutting-edge solutions for the protection and success of our military personnel. Precision, power, performance, GIDS. shaping the future of defense. Subscribe the Uncover History for the latest updates on cutting-edge defense technology. Stay informed, stay ahead.